This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So hello guys, welcome back to the video of my channel. And in this video, as you guys have seen that in thumbnail, that we're gonna be discussing about one of my course reviews. So one of my most favorite course that I usually teach is advanced bug bounty batches, and in that particular batch we do a lot of things. And as you guys were asking for the reviews, so I'll be showing you that. But before that, what we do in that course, so yes, that's a complete live course starting from 8 weeks, right? The minimum duration of the course will be 8 weeks. If you want to learn any additional topics, you can definitely drop that in the group discussions or in the content pages, and you will be definitely working with that. Along with that, we are having few more contents. We provide a lot of resources, including CV notes, nuclear templates, and we will also build automations based on the recent things. And all the CVs that are usually, posted or in the trend during the course duration, we'll be also explaining that. So there's a lot of things going on. If you get confused, if you want to revise the whole course, if you have missed some classes, then you get the upcoming batch for free, as we do provide revision batches. And there are a few more things. You guys can take a look on all the detailed content. And this content is not just limited to these things, because if, as I said, if you want to learn something additional, yep, we are up to it. Now, aside from this content, we also do fulfill few more things, like you can just do the live hunting demands. Yeah, we will be doing that. If you have any additional topic you want to take a look on that, we'll be doing that. Along with that, if you want some sort of scripts, automations, yeah, we can also provide with that thing. And also, if you're looking for resources, notes, and all these things, yep, you will be also provided that. So make sure to take a look on the link in the description. Now, my new batch will be starting from June 3, 2024. But before that, here are a few reviews from the last batch, the ADV B5 or Advanced Bug Bounty Training Batch 5. And that was for this video. Don't forget to take a look on the links in the description, and don't forget to take a look on the GitHub link also in the description for the free resources and notes out there. So make sure you take a look on the WhatsApp group given in the description. We'll be posting a lot of resources there for free, so definitely have a look on that one. And also, we'll be posting few recordings of the free courses that we have done in the past, so make sure you also take a look on that one and subscribe to the channel. And I guess that was for the video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the upcoming video.